Hey guys, welcome to another weekly report on my YouTube channel growth. For this week, we have great news. So if we check our analytics for the channel and we set here for lifetime, we'll see that we are at 1.6K watch time hours and over 200 subscribers, right? So 211 to be more precise. These hours are probably a bit over these 1600. This I noticed that this dashboard typically takes a bit to update compared to the analytics that you get for when you go to the individual videos. So what does that mean? That means that we are 40% of the way to monetization in terms of watch time hours and around 21% when it comes to subscribers. So that is very good progress, and you can see this big spike here and also the sustained volume in views that we had over the past roughly a week and a half to 2 weeks. There are a few important learnings there and a few culprits to that. Right, so let's get to it. So the main one is this guy here. So a reaction video that I posted for this Chilean band called Los Jaivas, the song La Poderosa Muerte. So we are at over 8,000 views in just over 10 days. So that's very atypical for my channel. That's a lot over what the performance used to be. So we can see that it was not bad, but still just okay on the first day, and then it really picked up the second day, and we got to the thousands, which I don't have many videos on the thousands of views, but this one picked up and just kept going and kept going. And not only that, but it has a lot of engagement as well. So it's responsible already for 756 watch time hours, average view duration of 5 minutes, but it got a lot of likes and comments as well. So if we come here to the comment section, remove this filter, we'll see that there are a lot of comments on this video, right? So this is awesome. This was a signal that I picked up and that I needed to, keep, betting on that because it's working. So one of the consequences was this other content here, Los Jaivas, Tarka y Ocarina. So reaction to another of their songs, which was the latest one that I posted. But before that, there was also this one by Rory Gallagher. Also a suggestion from a viewer, and which is performing nicely as well. Not as well as that other one, but 500 views in just over 4 days. It's for my channel's general performance, this is also nice. So there, strategically, the thought here was first using viewer suggestions. So that's one thing, but the other thing was a learning from my previously best performing reaction videos, that were Deep Purple songs, which was, hey, these bands that have a big fan base, a very engaged fan base, they will naturally bring more traffic. So that's the hypothesis there. And so I got this Los Jaivas suggestion. It made sense. I took a look at the numbers of other videos by them and reaction videos by them that do really well. So I, bet on that, created this reaction video, and it's paying off. And so I got actually a lot more engagement than I expected from, their fans. And so another suggestion was to react to this Tarka y Ocarina song. And another bet that was not a suggestion from a viewer was reacting to Rory Gallagher, which is just this guitarist that I found out about and that I didn't know about, and he's a great guitarist, and there are good performing reaction videos of him on YouTube as well. So not the same traction as the videos from reacting to Los Jaivas songs, but still good. So supporting that idea. And then another change that I made that you will see here is in thumbnails. So this one is still like a stock-ish photo. I have a bunch of those with a whatever background and then just a screenshot and text. And then here I decided to get rid of the random background and the stock style photo and move into a more organic that would kind of look like a screenshot. So that's pretty much the angle where I shoot my reaction videos. So I got a few shots there with, you know, emotions related to the reaction video. The only reason I didn't get screenshots is my camera quality is not great for that so far. So tested that. And here as well, I like the visual result better. So aesthetically, it is more pleasing, but also I've noticed that it does seem to be performing a bit higher if we look at similar reaction videos in a guitar player kind of stuff. My other ones are at 2%-ish, maybe a little less, even depending on video, right? Like this one. And so that signals an improvement to me. And also when we look at this Los Jaivas one with this one, click-through rate is a lot bigger, even though that other one did diminish over time. So that is a possibility. I'm also considering this a bigger success, especially because, you know, in one day it went over 1,000 views, which had never happened to me before that. And in 2 days we were pretty much on track to hit 2,000 views, right? So we're at 1,800 almost. The other change that I made for this video specifically was that I took into account the time of day where I have more viewers. So this video, instead of being posted, you know, like mid-morning, like I was used to posting like weekday mid-morning, like 10 a.m., 11 a.m. This time I posted it on Friday, 6 p.m. So you should see here, many of my viewers are on YouTube. So that probably made it get traction a lot faster. So a few learnings for the week and great results. And yeah, we're gonna lean into those learnings for the next videos as well. And again, just to recap, our current goal is to monetize the channel. And if we look at the overall analytics, we'll see that we are almost halfway there. These 1,600 hours correspond to 40% of the 4,000 required watch time hours, and 211 subscribers correspond to roughly 21% of the 1,000 subscribers required, which is awesome. By the way, in terms of subscribers, I got a huge bump in subscribers from this Los Jaivas videos here. So video here, over 135, and another big bump is happening from this one. From this one, yeah, a couple of subscribers, so not that many. So these high performing videos that are reaching the thousands, many thousands of views, are also bringing in lots of subscribers really fast. So yeah, if they kind of maintain that performance, probably be monetized within a month or so, which is awesome. So that's the news and the reporting for today, guys. Thank you. See you next time.